Welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's actually Shayna TV, and this was one Thursday morning while going to movie shooting. Yeah, we're running a little bit of difficulty, but however got it sorted out. But what really happened, we are driving and then there's a blue light in the dashboard. We discover, so we pull over. When we pull over now and check out the vehicle, we realize we have some radiator problem. We not have no options right now because we can't drive with this. So right now we're here and we are check out what is the next move to do. Guys, Jano, we have to go turn back.
We just feel something to take up. Show this radiator. Show
One tall building for the right hand side.
Remember, I know Rayata. We are on a call about this one.
One brother there, so tell we say we can go right round on a cover. A good distance still, but we don't see what can go on here, people, because we have to get it done. So we stop at Nakalva, our auto parts place. They move it up. Be a big stone tonight. Can load. Alright, Cynic buy one jug of coolant and I'm going to throw it in and see what difference that will make. Because all I coolant with it in there leak out, so like we see what go on after and throw in. Say well enough. Hot man, move. Turn off the bus. As you can see, that never help. That never help one bit. The amount of coolant my bus get and everything leak out back right on the ground. So the only option we have again is to bring the radiator, go down our radiator man down a Mount Carey. So Nika go do that in the meantime while the bus stay here. So guys, we get rescued by Chaplard and Brittany. So we there Mount Carey now, right down at the radiator man with there, and we are trying to see if we can get it sorted out so we can take on the journey and head on to movie shoot.
I know about black man style, you know, you think all that to that way, so a man goes and put the light up on you and you get warm. Take off the whole like that.
Look back way.
Oh,
We get sorted out now, so we're on the journey again. Yeah, And we decide say we are reach a movie shooting. Nothing can stop us this time. So guys, we're up on the way and we'll take time going. I know the little way there, so we'll just go and stay tuned guys until we reach. Eh? We reach on the grill now, but I don't know, we are help out Bassett do a little bit of work first.
I say, look like me I dig something.
You look like I dig something?
Yeah.
You don't feel like I dig something? You don't feel like I dig something?
Look like me I dig something to you.
Yeah, dig hole. Where you got to measure it hole now? What is this? A light post you going to put in there?
I say all deep. 1 foot. 1 foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inch, 2 foot here.
You see foot down there, sir?
See then?
I want a hole, me see there, sir. So how far you dig you go?
2 foot.
2 feet deep?
2 feet.
I can't 2 foot, I must 2 feet.
2 feet.
Oh, cause I dig 1 foot, so I must 2 feet. So Nick, you have one next deep miss like this, we go down again? So if you have to carry go 2 and that a 1 Nick, you have to go deeper.
No, I need soon 2 feet this.
And wide too, cause up at the top wide, they go down too narrow.
2 feet deep. I don't know how much feet wide.
So how much foot you gone already? 1?
1 and a little.
You better do your work good, cause you don't sound like you're sure. You don't sound like you're sure. You just measure it on a 1.
I fly past 1 foot long time. How you talk about, man?
I build up a nice structure for brown for dumpling man. I hope you're grateful. You hear dumpling man?
I'm so grateful for it.
You're better.
Yeah, little bit, but it,
One little bit, but what? Oh! It's all on you, so you don't have no problem. Your head now go lick up. Your head now go lick up.
Yeah, you know, say you're not going to get back your tape.
Eh?
You know, say when I get back your tape. Oh.
What that here? In a ethnic, do not fry a gun, you know? In just sit down and chat. In only for straw fry a gun. True bossy come now and come take up shovel. And he can alone and work from tax gun. Right, that's why I sit down.
Hold on.
Oh, that the wave, sir. I wish look white and the wave, sir. Eh. Morning, that's a wave, sir. You alright? You wave. Say hi. Good morning. Wow. How the buck you? What buck you? Cash up. Tell him say road.
You think you really fall today now?
It look like say go fall.
Touch me. Think.
Me have to look in at
Your ear get tall, you know, girl. You know, say your ear get tall. Watch it.
the well one, yeah,
Why am I look fine at your bag? Why am I look
But
fine?
you see it and you have a video right now, and you see it.
Why you seeing that for
You
it?
see it.
Take out what you see, man. Where did you have man bag?
Me not take out.
Where they look for something yam?
Me not put no in there.
Listen to Finyam. Hey, listen to Finyam. Yeah,
Watch how they tie up your back. You fit take out the man.
yeah, me man. Take you out when
I see him say and when he stay when he
No,
go
no, put
search
them
it.
back there. Take out.
Can't look.
Oh.
Look come here, look.
Oh, that's why she. You see it for true. He say, but go like Malupa Isle, but he knows some as soon as he knows some. Me always as soon as Finyam.
And you come.
Falan, you know how Finyam in your bag, but what you go store up our food.
All
Dread me here.
tax ask if that
If me have,
I think you look
Falan, they look fit. Falan have, down to Aksa blade, Falan have. No, so dumpling always I eat. If you not eat, him I eat out something.
Yo, what you do?
No know that already. Me not have to say 40. Me have to have a box or a plate or something.
Don't go down there. Cannot go down there.
Say what green eyes. We're not together.
Lima pala. This one ako.
You say more, Def. Wait, my phone.